Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to view all the websites you have visited on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you have updated it, open Instagram and log into your account. Now go to your profile page. Tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Go to your activity. Now simply tap on the links you've visited. Unfortunately, I have not visited any links. So now, I am going to my Explore section and going to open any random link. I am opening this website. Now I will again to the links I have visited section. Now you will see this link here. All your visited links will be present here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.